Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be making this Keto Nutella Puff Pastry. If you are new to my website, you might not know that puff pastry was kind of my thing. I spent months and months trying to perfect keto puff pastry, which I think I did for the most part. This is my favorite puff pastry recipe. It does use my keto flour that I saw on my website, but before you download this video or click away, I also have an almond flour version that's my original puff pastry recipe on my website, so you can go to that instead. There's even a gluten-free version as well, but this one is my absolute favorite I've made so far. I find that with my keto flour, the pastry puffs up the most and it stays really nice and puffed and golden brown. So I'd highly recommend it if you do want to try my flour. It does support me as a small business owner, and I get so excited when you guys share your reviews and tell me how much you like the flour. It makes me so happy because I spent so much time trying to get the blend right, and I'm trying really hard to make the product as good as possible and give you guys as many recipes as you can to make with it. So with that said, let's get back to the actual recipe video, and as always, please give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and let's just get into things.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive. Always there in my mind, but I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Okay, so somehow I missed the first two rolling and folding stages where I started with a ball of dough and then rolled it and folded 2 times. So when you see the next step, just know that's after my first refrigeration. If you read the instructions in the written recipe, it'll make sense. I apologize for this, and let's just continue with the video.
I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Oh. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me.
you.